Socotra, Yemen. This isolated island off the coast of Yemen is home to many bizarre and unique plants and animals, such as the dragon's blood tree and the Socotra desert rose. Pamukkale, Turkey. This natural wonder features terraced pools of water filled with mineral-rich thermal waters. The pools are formed by calcium deposits from the surrounding hot springs. Dor Dahel, Turkmenistan. A natural gas crater that has been burning for over 40 years, the Dor Dahel is a bizarre and otherworldly sight. The crater is nearly 70 meters wide and was created by a Soviet drilling accident in 1971. Lake Natron, Tanzania. This saltwater lake in Tanzania is so alkaline that it can preserve the bodies of animals that fall into it. The lake's red hue is caused by bacteria that thrive in the lake's extreme conditions. The Catacombs of Paris, France. Located beneath the streets of Paris, the catacombs contain the remains of over 6 million people. Visitors can explore the maze of tunnels and chambers, which are lined with bones and skulls. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe.